Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunity from 5 companies, work location Hyderabad, and few companies are conducting walk-in interviews. So we'll discuss complete details in this video. Viewers, first Genpact, work location Hyderabad, and they are hiring for record to report position. Viewers, in order to apply for this position, minimum qualification is BCom Honors, BCom, only regular graduation, no distance learning. So this is a very important point. CA firm experience not considered. Freshers can also apply for this position. When we see preferred qualification, relevant experience in reputed outsourcing RTR is preferred but not compulsory. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Candidate need to have knowledge regarding MS Office, especially MS Excel, pivot, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP and macros. IT skills like ERP, SAP, Oracle, Workday Financial, MS Office, etc. Partner management, quick learner, quality learn, process improvement knowledge. So those who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position. Vias next, Genpact is hiring Vias, but this time accounts payable position, work location Hyderabad. In order to apply for this position, required qualifications are graduate in commerce like BCom, freshers are eligible, sound knowledge in English both written and verbal. If we see preferred qualification, relevant experience of working in accounts payable process and as well as knowledge in MS Office, especially MS Excel, preferable knowledge in Concur, keen attention to detail skills, ability to handle varied volumes of workloads and to meet targets, deadlines on time. So those who are interested viewers, 2 positions from Genpact, the work location is Hyderabad. Interested candidates can attend the interview viewers. I'll provide all the details in the description. Through link you can apply for this position. And viewers, next Heritage, and they are conducting walk-in interview for lab assistant, biochemist position. Freshers and experienced both can apply for this position viewers. Heritage Food Limited, and for selected candidates they are going to pay 2 lakhs per annum. Industry is agriculture, role is trainee roles. The post involves research and development of enzymes, fermentation process and quality assurance. Candidate should be conversant with latest laboratory instruments. Viewers, work location is Kaiklur, Gannavaram, Bhimavaram, Elur. Interested candidates can apply for this position by clicking apply button here. So once the formality is completed, like once your application is submitted, they will call you for walk-in interview. And viewers, next position is HDB Financial Services Limited, and position is collection officer. Work location is Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Bangalore, Chennai, Vijayawada, and they are conducting walk-in interview on 28 January 10 AM to 4 PM. Interested candidates can attend walk-in interviews. I'm just telling desired candidate profile. Key skills are responsible for collection efficiency on timely manner, responsible for effective cost management, understanding and managing the health portfolio. Desired candidate profile are candidate need to complete graduation, 0 to 3 years experience in commercial vehicle, good communication and pleasing personality, high level of self-drive and enthusiasm. So those who are interested can apply for this position. I'll provide link in the description. Vias last, Nalanda Corporate Services Private Limited is hiring Vias, production chemist position. Work location is Hyderabad. Overall, we had 50 position Vias. Candidates with BSc, fresher, 1 to 3 years experience candidates are eligible for this position for pharma companies in and around Hyderabad. Those who are interested can apply for this position. I'll provide a link in the description. So these are the details of 5 different positions. Work location is Hyderabad and simultaneously AP, Bangalore, Chennai. So those who are interested viewers can attend the interview. All the best. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of job. And thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews.